couple of months ago, a friend of ours made us some pasta, and I decided to try different recipes from around the world. And this is pasta edition. I watched a couple of videos on YouTube and TikTok, and here we are. For this recipe, we are going to be using all-purpose flour, some eggs, salt, and cooking oil. Make a small hole and then crack your eggs inside. Some oil, some salt, then start mixing. When I was watching this recipe, it looked so easy, and I don't understand why this is happening to me. Everything is just going south. But I am very determined to make this work, so I'm not giving up. We are saving you. We are saving you, pasta. We are saving you. Yeah. I think I put very few eggs because some of the recipes that I watched stated that for every cup of flour, you need 1 egg. Yeah, I actually used 3 cups of flour, and sasa kimeanza kuniramba. So I'm going to add an extra egg to help the process. I know it's going to save me. And some more oil. Then mix. Let's go. Yay. Twende kazi. Twende kazi. Mix. Kanda. Mix. I can be a DJ. No, I'm a musician. Yeah. Kanda. Mix. Look at my hands. I love working on flat surfaces. And the trick is when you push your finger on the dough is supposed to bounce back. I'm wrapping this dough and I'm supposed to put it away for 30 minutes, but I don't have the time. So I'm just going to put it away for 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes. And I hope hakitani ramba. We are slicing this as thinly as possible because we don't have the pasta maker. You can make different shapes with pasta, but you're going to use this because it's the easiest, and since we don't have the machine, this is our version of homemade. Sprinkle some flour so that the pasta doesn't stick together as we prepare the other piece. And there we go. Here is our pasta. It looks so pretty. In a pot, you're going to add some water and some salt, and then bring it to a boil. I've just realized that I'm using a very small pot for my pasta. I didn't know the pasta furas. So for the second boil, I'm going to use a bigger pot. So unfortunately, the bigger pot also didn't work. I needed a bigger pot. So I had to actually put the camera off and use the main kitchen to boil my pasta in a bigger pot so that I can save time. And here we are. Since our pasta is ready in a pot, some oil, some onions, stir, stir, stir. Then some spices. Then my mincemeat. This looks pretty well cooked. And I'm coming in with my blended tomatoes. And then we have some cooking cream. Believe it or not, this is my first time using cooking cream. Here is our sauce. So unfortunately, I spent so much time on the pasta and time is running out. I'm using natural light to shoot this video. And it's actually pretty late, so I'm like just moving kila kitu mbio mbio tumalize twende. Our pasta is ready. I can't wait to taste it. I hope it does not disappoint. Please don't disappoint me. Don't disappoint me. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. I'm so excited. I'm so... Ooh. Do I like it? Yeah. This tastes so good. I'm not saying this because I'm the one who cooked it, but this tastes so freaking good. So freaking good. If you'd like me to try food from your country, please let me know. Share the recipe, share the type of food you'd like me to try out even without a recipe. I'm going to research on it and cook it, and we'll see how it turns out. Thank you. Subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to watch this video. Like, share, and comment. Bye.